If you're seeing an x.com or Twitter error 401, don't worry, because in most cases this is a login session issue, a browser cache problem, an extension conflict, or just a temporary authentication error on X. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account and start using X again. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the simplest fix first, which is logging out and logging back in. On X, click on your profile icon, then choose Log Out. If you see a confirmation prompt, confirm it. After that, sign back in with your account details. A fresh login often clears up expired sessions, and that alone can fix the 401 error for many users. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache. Sometimes old cached files can interfere with X loading properly. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens your browser's Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure you select cached images and files. If you want, you can leave cookies alone for now and start with cache first. Then click Clear Data. Once it finishes, restart your browser completely and try it again. If clearing the cache didn't solve it, the next fix is to disable browser extensions temporarily. Ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and some security extensions can sometimes interrupt X authentication. Turn off any extensions that might affect the site, then refresh X and try again. If X loads normally after that, you found the cause. You can then re-enable your extensions one by one to see which one is creating the issue. Another thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger login and session errors like this. Refresh the page first and see if it loads. If not, try switching to a different network such as mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, just to test whether the issue is related to your current network. If X works on another network, then the problem may be with your local connection or DNS settings. If none of those fixes work, the last step is simply to wait and try again later. Close X, wait a few minutes, and then sign in again. Sometimes the problem is on X's side, and the authentication system just needs time to reset. This is especially common when the platform is having temporary issues or account sessions are being refreshed in the background. To quickly recap, if you get an x.com or Twitter error 401, first log out and log back in, then clear your browser cache, disable extensions, check your internet connection, and finally wait and try later if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the issue without any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.